7 miles, that's it.
Cool, super
on. 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit it. Left 6 over bridge. 350. Right 3 over bridge into left 3. Yep, right 3 over bridge into left 3. $700. Left 5 over bridge. There's our dot. Sweet. Yep. There it is. Into a right 5, 300. Right 5, 300. Crest. Flat right, 200. Crest, flat right, 200.
Can't do it.
Yep. Crest and front right, flat right. Crest and flat right, 100. Yep. Left 6 long and crest is left 6. Left 6 long. And crest is left 6, 50. Right 6 crest. So here's our 50.
Yep.
Right 6 crest. And a flat right crest into right 5, don't cut. Into right 5, don't cut.
This is right 5?
Yes, sir, right here. They're okay. This is our right 5.
They're okay.
Yeah. Into a left 4, pink 200. Don't cut, don't cut, don't cut. Pink 200. Right 4 is your next call. Right 4. Yep, perfect. And a flat left. And a right 550, right 3. Right 550, right 3. Right 3. Yep, perfect. 3, 3, 3, perfect. Left 5, tightens 2, uphill. Left 5, 2, tightens 2, tightens 2. Uphill. And a right 1, don't cut.
Gotcha.
Right 1, no cut. Hell yeah. Left 6, tightens 5. Left 6, tightens 5. Here's our 5, 100. Into a left 1. Left 1. Right 6.
Shit.
It's in there somewhere. And crest 50. Left 6. Left 6.
And
right 5. Turn right 5. Turn right 5. Thank you. On the tarmac. And a right 2. Opens, tightens 4. Right 2 opens, tightens 4. And a left 5. There's our 4. Yep, left 5. Kinks 100. Left 3 downhill. Opens. Left 3 downhill. Opens. Woohoo! Right 5 in the left 5. Right 5 in the left 5. 100. Left 2. 100. Left 2. Yep. And a hairpin right 50. Hairpin right. There it is. Don't cut. Don't cut. Don't cut. Left 5 long. Don't cut. Long, long, long. Right 6 over crest. So right here, Kinks 100. Left 5. Right here. Left 5, over bridge. Turn right 6. Turn right 6. BC, yep, check the BC. Late brake into the BC.
Okay.
And that's the delta.
Okay.
Yep. That's start.
Oh, that's start.
Yeah, you're good, you're good, you're good. So left three, hairpin right. You should know what this is.
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. Yep, hairpin right. Left three over bridge. 300. Flat right, 200. Flat right. Cool. Right 6 into square left. Right 6 into square left gravel. Yep, square left gravel.
Here?
Yep, right here. Kinks 300. Caution brake at the crest. 300, caution brake. Kink right over bridge. Kink right over the bridge. Yep, perfect. Line 120. Left 6. Long uphill opens. Left 6 long uphill opens. 150. Right 4 opens, tightens into left 4. Right 4 opens, tightens into left 4. Yep. Left 4, perfect. 100. Caution, crest is right 2. Crest is right 2 at the top of the hill.
Yep.
Perfect. Into a left 3. Yep, you good.
3.
Left 3, left 3. And left 6 long. Left 6 long and right 3. Left 6 long and right 3. Right 3. Into a left 5. Left 5, perfect. And a right 5, 80. Right 5, 80. Left 5 in over bridge. Left 5 into bridge. Left 5 into bridge. Right 6 over 120. Right 6 over 120. Left 6 into right 6. Left 6 into right 6. Yep, yep. And a left 5 after this. Left 5. And a right 6 after this. 150, you see finish. Right 6, 150. Right 6, yep, 150 over finish. And a left 5. Perfect.
Good fucking job, dude.
Yeah, no problem. Well done. Good point calls. You bitch.
Very good.
Yeah, well done.
That was awesome.
Fuck yeah, nerves down a little bit. Feeling better?
Yeah.
There you go. Thank you, sir.
Which way am I going? That way?
Should be. Yeah. Yeah, take a left at
Okay.
the T. And then drive till you see the red shader.
Alright.
And then head uphill. No, did you turn the seats? Okay, yeah. I was like, oh, man.
Yeah, it must have shut off.
You're good. Perfect. Thank you. Okay, so finish plus 12 minutes.
Yeah, that fucking square left comes up quick on the gravel.
Fuck yeah, it does.
We almost fucking lost it there.
So let's see. 1154 plus 10, so 1204.
Am I going left at this?
Yes, left at the T.
Okay.
And then drive till you see the shader.
Alright.
And then you'll head up the hill to the right.
That's my temp. 175. Oil temp is 250.
That's a little hot, but doing fine.
Yep.
Yeah, we don't have to do the lateness because we finished. So,
Correct.
yeah, it's our finish time plus 10. So, yeah, 12:05.
So, start time plus lateness.
Oh, okay, I see. Oh, okay, yeah, okay. So,
Were we under lateness?
yeah, by a lot.
Yeah,
Yeah, we did
okay.
good. So, okay.
So, start time plus 12,
Yeah, so it'd be 9:59,
and then plus 10.
10, so 09, 12:09. Cool.
need to put an oil cooler on this thing.
I agree.
I'm gonna shut the suits off.
That's fine.
Yeah, I must have grabbed that and shut it off.
Yeah, the ergonomics here kind of suck.
Yeah, it's real close.
Is there anything?
That's why I put all the engine stuff up top.
Yeah, I was about to say, is there anything you can't, like, anything important you don't want to smash?
Not down here.
Sweet.
The big button.
Yeah,
What the fuck is up with the window stuff coming on?
I don't know. Did you bump it?
No, it's not on.
Oh, well.
That's on.
Maybe reaching back, because it was just a splash, so you may have just bumped it. I don't know. Whatever. Yeah, I saw that, and I was like, we didn't hit any water.
No. Oh, wait, did I shut that off?
There's the shitter.
I did not